What's going on, guys? We are walking around London. Just another day in the life of whatever it is that I do. Today's gonna be a good day. Let's go. We're in London for the next 4 days. I'm walking around with my buddy Lorcan, showing me all the sights. I got my camera, taking loads of photos. I'm not sure what the video is gonna turn out to be, but I've got friends that are coming from Bulgaria and Slovakia. I haven't seen them in 8 years, and right now we're on our way to meet them at a coffee shop near Buckingham Palace. Today's gonna be a fun day, and let's see what happens. So right now we're near Westminster Bridge. Lorcan, where exactly are we right now?
Yeah, we're at Big Ben. We're Houses of Parliament.
Yeah.
Westminster Bridge.
These buildings are huge, man. Check it out. And there's Big Ben. And that's Parliament. Pretty cool, man. We're in London, baby. Woo! All right, we're taking a quick shortcut through St. James Park?
St. James Park, yeah.
St. James Park. It's pretty cool, man.
It's freezing.
It's freezing out here, and the lake is actually frozen too.
Oh shit, actually is.
The little ducks are just like,
wow, it's actually frozen.
Bro, I'm trying to swim.
Wow.
All right, Lorcan, tell me some interesting things about London. You've been here how many years?
I've been here like 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
Came here when you were how old?
I came here when I was, like 22, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm 30 now, so yeah, around about 8 years.
And you came straight from Ireland, yeah?
Yeah, pretty much. So after I finished university, so I went to university in Newcastle, which is a town in the north of England.
Yeah.
Then after I graduated, I spent 4 months in the States, and then straight after that, went home for a bit, and then came here.
Nice, man.
And I've been here since.
You enjoy it, huh?
Yeah, man, I love it.
It's a bit nippy, though.
It is a bit nippy. It is a bit nippy.
So just behind us, you'll see Buckingham Palace and the statue out front, covered with a gold-plated angel lady. Very cool. It's like in the middle of the city. I really thought for some reason Buckingham Palace would have been like out in the middle of the country, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know why I thought it was like so far away from the city.
But you're thinking of Windsor Palace.
Okay, it's like in the trees and this grass.
Yeah, that's the different
Okay,
one,
that's what I'm thinking of. Windsor Palace.
So that's actually where the Queen lives.
Okay, right.
Or lived.
Yeah, long live the memory of the Queen, right? King Charles now.
Yeah.
King Charles is actually good, right? Because I have Cavalier King Charles Spaniels, and so, I mean,
well,
if you love King Charles, you're gonna love King Charles Spaniel.
They say he killed Diana, so...
Oh. Well, that's not good.
Yeah.
But the dogs are sweet.
Yeah.
Different King Charles. They might be in here. It's the cafe. I have no idea. It's so full. There he is. Oh my god. Ivo!
Hi!
Hey, Ellie! So good to see you! What's up, buddy? How are you? Ivo! My man! So good to see you. So good to see you. Man. I brought my camera because why not, bro?
Yeah, sure.
It's been 8 years.
It's been a lot of time for sure.
Long time. So good to see you. How are you? How's the baby? Yeah, where is he? At home? Okay. So good to see you guys. Nice to meet you. Yeah. What's up, buddy? How are you? Nice to meet you. Hey, how are you? Okay guys, so obviously we met up at the pub. I didn't want to be filming all kinds of stuff, but they were so cool, catching up everybody, so many good memories, so many laughs. It was just awesome. We had some really good food, and now we're heading to Piccadilly, I guess, to do some like shopping around, touristy stuff, sightseeing. So I got the whole group with me. We're like, well, not with me right there. I kind of am walking in the street, but yeah, we're all kind of traveling together and gonna spend the rest of the day together, and so I'm gonna bring you guys along, and it's gonna be more fun. So hang in there. Let's go. Excuse me, can you tell me where we are?
I have no idea.
No idea?
I'm not no English.
I thought you were the tour guide.
Me? No.
This is not the place you're bringing
This
us?
is the guy. This is the guy.
Ivo, where are we?
We are in Piccadilly Circus.
Yeah? Yeah, and what are we seeing?
I don't know, the monitors.
Wow, you're the best tour guide.
Should I keep you £5?
If you look, you'll see TV. Yeah, Piccadilly. There we go. Times Square, London. Ivo, I haven't introduced you, my man. This is my buddy Ivo.
From Bulgaria.
Yeah? I think you're my first friend from Europe. You know that?
Okay.
Yep, this is the guy. That's why we're here, to see this guy. Well, and you, of course.
Of course.
Mr. Larkin.
Of course, yeah.
And how did we meet?
We met on the plane.
On the airplane in Madrid. Yep. He's like, I live in London. If you're ever in town, give me a call. Here we are.
Here we are.
Yep. I pretty much asked a favor right after we met, yeah?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah,
That's good, though. You come to Florida, you stay with me.
Of course.
Anytime.
I'm looking forward to being on the ranch.
Yeah.
My shotgun,
Shoot some guns.
shoot some guns,
Yeah,
ride some horses.
Yeah, of course.
Very brave.
Andrea, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you again.
Good
Been a
to
long
see you.
time. Are you happy? And how's your boy?
Very good.
So, since we met, them two got married, have a little boy. What's his name?
Matteo.
Mateo, very cute.
He
He's
will be
3.
3
Yeah.
next week.
Lots of trouble, very cute.
Very
So happy for you guys,
crazy.
really. They're the best. It's so cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I travel, I have lots of animals. If you're watching and you usually watch the animals, thank you so much for watching something other than dogs. Love you guys. You're the best. Let's keep it going. So we're walking through Covent Garden and we've been trying to take a train for like 2 stops, but they've been like so packed, so busy. It's a really busy night and everybody's gonna be watching the World Cup soon. It's gonna be crazy later. So we're kind of on the hunt for a tube to go to a cool rooftop. We're going to a rooftop bar thing. So don't go anywhere because we're on the way to somewhere fun. Okay. Wow. On the double-decker bus. Very back. It's a little short. Oh yeah.
Never been on a bus that has 2 floors.
Off the bus and no idea where we are. I think we lost our guide. So we're at the London Bridge. Well, not the London Bridge. The Tower Bridge. It's just there. It opens up. It's a drawbridge for boats to pass through. It's cool. It's nighttime. Enjoying it. The Sky Bar was closed, by the way, so no rooftop. But I think we're gonna get on a boat. Alright guys, so we're on the boat. We're gonna go back to like train stations and stuff. It's 5:30. We're gonna rest for a little while and then go back out tonight. So it's gonna be fun, but for now, I'm gonna go take a break and it's been fun. The boat's cool. It's really dark, so you can't see much, but anyways, see you guys in a bit. Let's go.
Bro, step back, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.